The popular shopping center is จักรจักรแอนด์สยามสแควร์
What is further about Jajajak or Siam Square?
สยามสแควร์ is further than จักรจักร
How can we get to Jajajak?
By van taxi the bus
What's the best way to get there?
You can get there by van because is quicker and cheaper than taxi and the bus.
How far is it?
About 30 kilometers.
How long does it take?
20 minutes.
How much is ticket?
I'm not sure. It is 25 baht.
What time does it open?
It's open at 10.
Okay, where is the nearest rest stop?
It is next to the building.
Can we walk?
Yes, it's not far.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Bye.
Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. I look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 and love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, love, love.